Hey guys, welcome to the challenge. In this challenge, I want you guys to set up our main menu title. So our main menu title screen is going to be on the same screen. We're not going to be working in a different scene. We're essentially just going to be creating in our canvas an image component. So if you go to Create UI Image, and let's go ahead and drag our main menu. All right, so here's our main menu, and we can go ahead and scale this out a bit. Maybe let's go ahead and make it 512 by 512. Alrighty, so here's our awesome little title screen here. What I want you guys to do, and let's go ahead and rename this to title real quickly. What I want you guys to do is I want you to make it so that when we hit the space key when we start our game, it will spawn our player into the game, it will turn off the title, and when the player dies, I want you to bring back the title and allow me to hit the space key again to restart and spawn the player back in. Now with that, you'll also need to clear the score. So don't forget to clear the score. Here's a hint for what you need to do in order to get this to work. Your player needs to be a prefab. Throughout the entire development of this course, our player has not been a prefab. So if you want to be able to spawn it in when you hit the space key, you need to turn it into a prefab. So I want you guys to think logically how to solve this problem. All right, the problem is really simple. We have this title screen. When I hit the space key, I want to spawn the player in, and when I die, when I have no lives left, I need to turn the title screen back on. Now you may be wondering, how do I know when the game has started and that this title screen is displayed? Well, that's where you have to invent logic. That's what variables are for. Create a variable that is going to specify, has the game started yet? And if the game started is false, which it should be when you first run the game, then what needs to happen is you need to set that variable true, spawn the player in, hide the title screen, and when the player dies, you need to say, game over or game started is back to false so that we can go ahead and hit the space key again. You should only be able to hit the space key and spawn the player in when the game has yet to be started. Alrighty guys, I really want you to work hard at this. Nothing in the logic of this problem is any different than what you've already solved before. So go ahead, give it your best shot, and if you have trouble, I'll see you in the challenge review.